Hey guys, my name is Laser and welcome back to another video, and today we're back in Bee Swarm Simulator, and today the main thing I want to do in Bee Swarm Simulator is finally complete, where is it? Oh yeah, I do want to do this one, so I do need refreshing nectar and also okay. 3 hours of refreshing. I'm getting sidetracked right now, but I think I can just get refreshing nectar by using one of these. Boom. There we go. Okay, and then I just need to use like 26 more of these. Okay, so I can do that. Like I'm literally doing it right now. But the other one, the main one I wanted to do is this one, which is I need to pop a rare puff shroom in the rose field, which means I need this thing here to be complete, and I'm hoping that that is what I'm gonna do today. But I also think it'd be oh scorpion salad. No, that's not what I was thinking. Where is it? Here. I just don't want to use like too many snowflakes. I don't want to go over the limit that I need. Oh, there's two of these here. A giraffe and a rubber duck. Okay. Nice. But I need to focus on these snowflakes and also on finishing this festive planter because it just has been taking so long, honestly. And I just want it done. Please, just finish already. But I'm surprised that I'm like immediately finishing this one, which is nice. Come on. It's so close. Literally so close. Wait, okay. So, that one there. And then one more after this. Right there. And done! Bucko Bee's snow machine is ready for gifted Bucko Bee. Finally, we actually can do Bucko Bee's one. We're at 73%. This is just the main area that I need to stay in this episode. But obviously I will go and see what Bucko Bee's going to give me when I hand in this quest. Wait, also, is it like... Wait, I just need to check. I just need to go to a random one. Doesn't really matter what one it is, this one's fine. Yeah, help characters prepare for Beesmas. So, because I've done 7 out of 11, so when I hand this one in, it will be 8, and then I should be able to... I just don't remember where 8 is, honestly. Is 8 this one up here? Yeah, it is, because I was thinking that the one that I needed was that one there. I just can't get up to there right now. And also it's nighttime now, so, I mean, vicious bees exist, I guess. But we don't need vicious bees right now. Okay, that was just horrible. Okay, I'm failing so badly today. Wow. Go up. And over here. And down here. Yeah, 7 out of 8 for this one. So this is the one that I'm about to open finally. I don't remember where 7 was actually. But that doesn't matter too much really. As long as I got it. Which I hope that I did. If I didn't, that would suck. But let's just go over to Bucko Bee now. And hand it in. Here. Actually, I need to get this first. Hold on. Okay. Yay, and yay. Okay, now I can hand it in, finally. If I go down here, and go up here, and over here, and here. Hello, okay. That's everything we need to fix the snow machine right up. Just a few more adjustments, and it's online. Now, that's cool. Using the snow machine, you'll be able to summon snowstorms on command every 2 hours. Think of all those snowflakes. I bet your friends will really appreciate it too. We here at the Blue HQ can't thank you enough. Now it's time to enjoy our blue Beesmas. Yay. Oh, okay, so I got a silver egg, a lot of honey, 10 tickets, 25 blue extracts, 3 purple potions, and a snow globe, and 50 snowflakes. Nice. Okay, I actually made back 50 snowflakes, which is nice, when I had to use 250. So I really only had to use 200 then for that quest. That's cool. And now, I should do the king beetle, to be honest. See if I can get anything off the king beetle. Come on. Anything useful? Oh, there's a frog in here. Oh, I got another purple potion. Gumdrop's glue enzyme. Okay. Blue extract, 5 tickets. Okay. That's decent stuff. Yeah, okay, well, this rhino beetle, I guess. There we go. And let's go and open, finally, this, actually, let's save it for a little bit later in the video. I want to go up here and kill the, this coconut crab. Here we go. Okay. Get all of this. It's annoying how it still takes kind of a while to do, even when I'm this good at the game. Get that. And get all of these. Oh, that baby will love would be nice to have, but I don't think I'll have it in time. Like, it won't die in time for me to actually benefit off of this. Get that. I don't think that is useful at the moment because there's nothing in the sky. But, oh, if I can get these things, that would be nice. But I don't think I got 3 of them. Oh, I'm getting frogs. I don't really know if frogs are useful during a coconut crab fight. But it's cool to see them. Move. Oh, that's good. Okay, the whirlwind tornado. And he's like halfway already dead. Nice. Let's use one of these, why not? Oh, and it actually gave it back, and I get to use my star saw thing. Nice. No. No. Don't kill me. I just want to use my star saw. I don't know how close I have to be, like if it actually has to like hit it in the range, or like if it's doing damage now. Or... oh, there! Okay, cool. Cool. Okay, so let's run around. And see what we can get. And we'll also see if we got a world record. Well, not a world record, but like our record. I don't know what I'm getting right now either. I can see like gingerbread beers on the side, glitters. Obviously a lot of coconuts because, you know, if it's the coconut crab, of course I'm going to get a lot of coconuts. And is that all of them? I think so. Oh no, that was from my festive gift. So I think that should be everything then. Is that everything? Yeah, that's definitely everything. Okay, now let's firstly check this here. 131, okay, and I think that was at the same. Yeah, world record is 2.3 seconds, so definitely didn't get a world record. Defeated coconut crab. Oh, and 133, 2 seconds off of. Well, okay, 3 seconds off of beating it, but 2 seconds off of getting the same amount as it. Star jelly, glue, glitter, oils, 3 gingerbread beers, tropical drink, star jelly, tropical drink, gingerbread beers, glitters. Okay, a lot of cool different stuff, but just like the normal stuff you'd usually always get. Okay, so that was decent. And now, oh, what's that? Oh, it's another one of those. Nice, a wishbone sticker plus a ticket. Let's do memory match, because why not? Memory matches are fun. No, wait, why did I didn't mean to? I meant to click this one here. Oh, okay, there. I guess that sort of helped, but like not really, because I wanted to. Okay, there. Just all over the place now. I just don't know what to. There. Okay. Woohoo. Okay. Well, that sucked. I want to get that. No. Dang it. Okay, so now I should probably just open that, but I want to kind of do other things first because if I don't complete this, then the main thing this episode is the thing that I literally have already, like, have barely, like, it's only 10 minutes into the video and I would have completed everything that is interesting. Because I don't know if this festive planter is going to pop during this video or not. Let's get I should definitely at least run around and get these, which, okay, can't get that one right now, that sucks. I'll go and check what ones. There's Polar Bears one. Oh, so I forgot, so I can hand in this. Nice, okay. What's aromatic pie? I think that's actually really easy, isn't it? Oh, not really, but I can do 6 manisters. I can do 3 of them right now. Yeah, that's 2 of them. And then, oh yeah, I forgot, there's a werewolf. Wait, where did the werewolf's drops go? Is this the werewolf here? Oh wow. Can a werewolf really get all the way into this part? I thought it could only, like, get to, like, here at the most, because, like, I don't know why it would be fair to let it get into the mantis area, but okay. So let's now go up here. Close that. I'll do the snow bears soon, or not if I can't even, you know, get the thing. Wait, what was I thinking? Oh yeah, this over here, down at the mantises, or the one singular mantis. And then I need ladybugs, which there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. This stuff. Okay. I've not done Tunnel Bear yet today, have I? No, I don't think I have. Well, not in this video, but like I think I did it yesterday, like off camera, but I think it would be back already by now. I didn't get anything like interesting, like I just came on randomly and like did King Beetle and Tunnel Bear, and I didn't do Coconut Crab, I saved that. Yeah, nothing was interesting. So let me go over here. Also, there's 18 more days for Bear's catalogue, you know, Beesmas in general. So hopefully in 18 days there'll be the new part 2 update, and the thing will refresh, you know, like this will go back to like 60 days or something. Even though, you know, like this game is like the most ridiculous when it comes to how long it counts for a holiday, because it's February, like, February 10th now? Wait, let me check. February 11th for me. I think February 10th for you guys, since I'm in New Zealand, not America. But what was I doing? Dang it, what was I... Oh, I was going to go over here, wasn't I? To get more of these. Or did I get these ones already? No, I didn't. Okay, so I also saw a leaf over here, and I want to get the leaf. Oh, and also a spider exists. Okay. The leaf doesn't really exist anymore. Oh, I can do this though, which is good. Summon a level 12 snow bear. Wow. Okay, level 12. Immediately put one of these on, because without it, without it I would definitely not be able to kill it quick enough. But maybe with it I will be able to kill it quick enough. We'll just have to see. Yeah. Come on, just die. I can't really see how the level health and stuff is. Okay, put on another one of these. Okay, get another spike thing there. Nice. Come on, die. Yes, nice. Okay, I actually killed the level 12. Wow, that's actually really cool. And I got 258 snowflakes. Wow, okay. I am very happy with that. How long until the next one? 1.5 hours, okay. That was amazing though, wow. Hey, look at that. And also 12 tickets, I guess. I don't really need tickets right now, but that's cool. Let's go. Oh, there's another sticker. I thought there was only 3 a day, or maybe it's 5 a day. I've already got 3. That's definitely my 4th one, because I got like the giraffe and the thing next to the giraffe, and then I got the wishbone, and now I've got this one. So that's 4. Let's now do this down here. Okay. Hello, my tunnel bear. Get all those. Oh, I only got. Okay, that's fine, anyways. Ginger beer, enzymes. Oh, what else did I get? They all disappeared. Oil, tickets, wardrobe. Okay, nothing like special, I don't think. Nope, and I thought I clicked that. Wait, oh, okay, did it twice. Okay, so how is this looking now? 79.1. I'll definitely put up my next episode, I'm pretty sure. I just thought it was going to be this episode, but I guess this episode is obviously going to be instead focused on the blue guy, the him, yay. So I'm just gonna go into it now. Okay, let me go up here. I want to see what I get from this reward. The number 8, the cherry gift box. So in 3, 2, 1, there. And I want to like stand away. Oh, of course it like does the snowstorm at the worst time. But okay, I was hoping that maybe I'll get a like nice thumbnail for it. But look, 25 jelly beans, 25 red extracts, a marshmallow bee, 25 hard waxes, 5 gingerbread beers, and a invigorating vial. Kind of funny how I like cherry and red extracts for like completing the blue guy. But nice. Okay, so I got all of those rewards, and I guess I should also come down here and get some of these. Okay. Nice. And yeah, it's at 79.9. Wow. Okay. So. Oh, also I haven't even like had a look at obviously doing the. Oh, whoa. You know what I mean? The thing that the other thing I got from this snow machine. Here we go. Activate the snow machine. I don't really know how to get like a good thumbnail for everything that I want to get thumbnails for in this video. If I come up here. Oh no. Okay, wait. Okay. There. Yeah, no, I'm not going to be able to. Okay, that was just ridiculous. Let me just activate it. Whoop-de-doo. Okay, let me go into this field, I guess. Unless they don't spawn in this field, which would be very bad. I don't know where they are. Oh, there's a red extract. I mean, a blue extract. Of course, not a red one. I don't get red from the my brain is dying, but I'm getting snow machine stuff. So that's cool. Snowflakes. Yay. There. Oh. Did it say like laser activated the snow machine? Nice. So that was cool. Literally cool. Okay, let me go and do. Oh, I need to get a treat dispenser, I guess. That's nice. Let's do this one here and this one here. Nope. There we go. This here with this here. Nope. Oh, there. And last one, I think there and there. Nice. Okay. Oh, those honeysuckles and jelly beans I missed out on. Okay, let's now go to. I saw another one of these. Nice. Get this leaf. Just a normal treat. Okay. And another one. Oh, that apparently did that. But sunflower seed. Okay. So just a rare sprout. Okay. I shouldn't use that right now. I haven't done over here actually, getting stuff from up here. Gander at Onyx Lidart, Bumble Baby and Crimson, and all of these rewards. So I got glue and 5 gingerbread beers. I mean 1 gingerbread beer and 5 of literally everything else. Okay, Oh, there's a mushroom here, that's cool. Oh, 2 mushrooms, okay. So get all this. Whoa, they're all going everywhere now. Whoa. Level up the baby that I will never keep forever. Just trying to think what else I should be doing right now. Can I help this person with their snow bear, or is it not like a team kind of thing? I don't know. So let me try. Can I move, please? Oh, well, I can definitely be hit by it, so hopefully I can help people. I think it can be helped, because I think I remember being helped. I don't know. Trying my best to help this person. There we go. Did that person win? Yes, I think so. Cool. Oh, okay, I'm up here. I'm just going to go over to this field up here to do just red, because that's one of the things I can do right now. Oh, and also mushrooms here. Nice. Whoa, nice. Come on, bees. Please, bees. Give me all the red. And also snowflakes would be nice to see. I've got 1,999. Oh, and this will be 2,000. Nice. Okay, and how much is it for like that really ridiculous thing that I really want? 5,555. I really want that wavy Festive Hive skin. That would be really fun to have, but it's also really ridiculous priced. Like, could you not even it out with the gingerbread beers that I probably have like a decent amount of? Oh wait, I passed them. 20. Okay, 23 isn't the best, but like it's better than. Well, because I need 5 and I've got 23, but like the 5,555. Actually, even if you added one more 5, that would still not be good because I don't have 55, so that would suck. But still, the snowflakes, there's too many that I need. Okay. Can I just please? Okay, it's so close to finishing just red. And there we go, it's done. And the dink has happened, so let's go. Oh, okay, no, not when I'm gummy bear. I want to stay gummy bear in a field. And okay, I think we're good now, so we can leave. And go down here to the black bear. Whoa, okay, there we go. Hello, black bear, you never let me down. Of course I don't. And I got a ticket and 10 strawberries. Delve in the dandelions. That should probably be easy if it's only. Oh, this is the sunflowers, not the dandelions. But it's only like 200 million. Let me just there. More. Also, actually, I want to see if I can find a vicious bee, because that would be nice to end this video on a vicious bee. I mean, the video is only 24 minutes, and I usually at least do half an hour videos for bee swarm. Oh, I got a single mitten. Okay, that was interesting. but I don't really need a single mitten, so it doesn't matter that much. It's so laggy with this, you know, Honeystorm. Wow, it's laggy, okay. And also at the same time it's nighttime. There's this whole fog on the map. Okay, well, I don't know exactly what areas would have vicious bees. Just trying to think what ones. Oh, and it's not, I mean, daytime anyways, but also they can still be here after daytime. Oh, how close is this? Oh, that one's actually done. Okay. Well, I guess we can do this one, which is a still. Whoa, 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 whoa! That. Oh my god, that actually jump scared me. Okay, I've got an aphid. What would you do? Okay, what? Okay, soft wax, treat, gingerbread beers. Okay, wow. I did not expect an aphid to just pop out of nowhere. Okay, that was funny. Okay, so. But this is a sticker planter that for some reason my bees are trying to pollinate when it's already full. So there we go. Let me just get this, and I'm getting all of these different things. Whoa, whoa, oh my. Whoa. That was so much stuff, honestly, and there's so many stickers and stuff. Wow. Okay, wow. I don't need any of that. That's ridiculous. Let me just stand here and let me go and focus on all of this. Okay, so from here, wow, stop moving, invigorating nectar. Okay, colourful buttons, green checkmark, simple skyscraper, coiled snake, colourful buttons, yellow coffee mug, launching rocket, colourful buttons, yellow high, white flag. Okay, and then royal jelly stingers, gorilla gigs, neon berries, honeysuckles, smooth dice, puddles, gumdrops, soft wax, tickets, blueberries. Wow, okay, I think that's everything. Oh, and this guy's a face now. Okay, and there's another mushroom here. Stop having everything happen all at once. Oh my god, spread some out. Wait, the face went already? I thought it only just spawned. Okay, that's ridiculous. Okay, so, let me go up here and see. Sticker book. I have, okay, in my inbox, I've got all of these. Wow, okay. Wow, okay. Let me just think. Okay, I don't need any of those button ones. I've got so many of those button ones. I definitely need this one, but it's full, so I'll discard the coffee mug to get the white flag. And I don't have the high either, or the skyscraper, or the... there's so many that I don't have. Okay, discard that one. There's so many things here. I'm trying to see if there's any that I have duplicates of. Okay, I don't need another one of these. Okay, so I want the skyscraper and the coiled snake, and oh, I've already got a high. Okay, so I don't need any of these actually. Okay, that's good then. And also, what ones have I not done on here yet? If I open this up and actually get to see all of those. Can I scroll there? Oh no, I can't really. Wait, I can at least do like there, whatever. So these are all the ones that I can donate. I'm gonna donate this one, colourful buttons, because I just got so many colourful buttons. And okay, it's all charging up, nice. And for 15 minutes I'll have, 17 minutes, I'll have all of those boosts, including now the one that one gives me. So I've got 47 out of 48, so I should add one of those to it there. Nice. Okay. Whoa, there's so many things to do. Okay, has it been 20 minutes for me to... Yes, okay, so I can get this. Nice. Okay, and I just need one more. And then I can go and hand it into Polar Bear. Okay. So let's go over here. And then let's go down here. And there we go. Oh, and there's also one of these. Nice, okay. Whoa, don't attack me. And there we go, aromatic pie. Nice. Balloons. I do like balloons. Hello, balloons. Okay. Okay, let me just leave now. Okay. Actually, I want to see how close am I to do this? How close is this? Oh, there's also a pumpkin here. Nice. Okay. Come on, pumpkin. There we go. And what one's mine? I think it's the 27 million. Or the 19. Oh no, okay, it's the 19 million. Okay. See, it's not like too close, but at least it's got... Oh, okay. Wait. Oh, a whatever leaf sticker. Is that not the one spawned by my tool? Oh, that sucks. But I know I also needed a leaf for like something all the way down here. Was that the one that I needed? Thumbs up hand stickers. Oh, shrugging heart. This one. Is it Lancelate? Is that not Lancelate? That's Rumaloid. Oh, that sucks. I will keep this one though, so I will discard one of the ducks and claim that one instead. There we go, that's good. And also attack this guy here, nice. Okay. Now, what was I doing? Oh, I know I was doing something, and now I've just completely forgotten what I was doing. Okay. Why have I forgotten? Oh no, just rubber ducky sticker. Oh, -1 because I got rid of it. Yeah. Oh yes, I need to hand in Polar Bear's quest. Oh wait, but before I do that, I remembered that I need to get these, which is cool. So let me get that. Nice. Also, I just want a new bee in this game because I finally have like all the bee, well, not all of them in my hive, but I finally had the last one that I hadn't discovered, which was the buoyant bee. No, not buoyant bee. Buoyant bee was my second last one. My last one was tadpole bee. Anyways, let me Polar Bear. There we go. Chop chop sizzle sizzle, and there. Beetle brew. 8 ladybugs and 8 rhino beetles. Dropped in here. And get all those. And then this one. Oh, there's a sticker here. There we go. It was sent to my sticker book, but it's the classic. Wait, classic Kilroy. I don't think I have that one. That one's different to that one. Okay, I actually want that one then. Even though, where the heck do I... Okay, I have 2 of these, so discard that one. And claim this one. Nice, okay. Okay, don't get stuck please. Okay, get over here. Get this. So I've found all 5 today, so I shouldn't be finding any more then. Unless the game somehow gives me a 6th one. Okay, oh, I need these. Nice. And there we go. Oh, and okay, I'm a gummy bear again. Yay. Okay, and then then go over here. And what was the other parts? Dandelion and pineapple. Okay. Okay. So here's the dandelion here. Which, there we go, it's already done. And then pineapple is this. Okay, I need to go up here, but I want to check quickly, how is this doing right now? It's at 87. Okay, that's good. So I'll definitely be doing that next episode. Definitely, for sure, 100% confirmed. Okay, and you guys will probably see it on the thumbnail, with all the blue one happening on this thumbnail. But let's go. Don't get stuck. Don't go in there. Okay, fine, let's go in here and see if there's... Oh no, we can't even get any stickers on there because we got all 5 already. And what happened? Why am I here? Okay, I kind of just forgot what I was about to do. I don't even know if I was about to do something, but if I was, I kind of forgot what I was gonna do. I feel like there was something I was going to do and now I've just completely forgotten it, and that's so annoying. I hate when that happens. Oh, I'm so close to white pollen on that, but then not close at all for cactus and sunflower. Wow. And then all of this that I still have to do, and all of that. I need one more soft wax and then one mushroom from the well. Okay, then that one's ridiculous and I don't want to do that ever. Same with you. Dapper Bear's one, yeah, so annoying that I somehow got a different leaf. That's so stupid. The leaf ones are so rare to get, and of course I don't get that right one. Also, I need 5 of it anyways if I do want to finish that. And then this one I need... For the white brick field, that's on this thing. I don't want to do that, like, ever. It's so not fun to do. I'm not doing that right now, obviously. But, memory match games, share jelly beans, and then donate a lot of things to the wind shrine. Okay, I guess I can do that right now. Even though, like, this doesn't... No, it doesn't matter because I'm never going to find a dang shrugging heart sticker. I'm just going to donate it anyways just to feel a bit more accomplished in life. Even though I'm really not, because I'm never going to finish that one. Let me just steal it for me. Nice. And then, okay, let me come up here. Up here. Oh, wrong. Wait. Okay. I've already done that, haven't I? Yeah, 7.5 hours. Like, it was on the dot. Wow. Now it's changed, but yeah. Let me go up here. Whoa, okay. Thomas, can I just... Yeah, get up here. Okay. Here. Yay. Yeah. What ones did I even need? Star jellies for... let's do red extract. I think that one's close. There, it's right there. 3 of those. Donate. Yep, the air becomes cool and soothing. You hear the blah blah blah, and there we go. And I got all of those, but I'm not going to be using them right now because I just don't want to do boosts when I'm about to end this video off. Okay. I'm just trying to think if there was anything else I was going to do right now. Are those any of those windy bees? No. Okay, 90% is so dang close. Wow. I'm just going to do a little bit more just so that it's closer for not tomorrow. I'll probably film another video today. But yeah. Do this. 90.2, 90.3. Oh, and I've got these because I hear the sound for the party. Okay. Oh, it's already really full. Wow, that's nice. Okay. 90.7. Okay. So, I think I'm just going to end this video off here. I'm just trying to think if there's anything else that I needed to do today. I mean, this was what I was going to do today, but obviously I've done way more than that. I mean, not way more, just that I've done a different thing today. Oh, Riley pollen apparently is done though, so I guess I can hand in a different Riley quest for the pollen. Okay, hello, gifted Riley. Right on, right on. Do, 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 do. And then I've got one for skirmish, which I don't even know what skirmish is. Ladybugs. Okay. And also mushroom pollen. Oh, can I do the... Wait, was that what I was going to do earlier when I was up at... Yes, that's what I was going to do earlier when I was up here. I used this, and then I went there, but then I forgot immediately what I was going to do. I was going to get pineapple patch pollen, and then also finish off ladybugs and rhino beetles, which should now have respawned by now. Including this one here. So now, if I go down here... this will be 6 and 7. Nice. And then this will be 8 over here. I mean, there was another 8 there, but like there's 5 rhino beetles. Wow, I can't talk. 5 rhino beetles on the map and only 4 ladybugs on the map, which is kind of weird, but that's how it is. So, anyways, we go here. Kill this ladybug. There you go. And then go up here to this ladybugs. The 2 of them here. And there we go, ding. Okay, nice. So I can hand that in again. What does this say? You've already claimed a vicious bee. Of course I have. Oh, I want to get this. There we go. And let me now go over to... why can't I fly? Also, I saw one of these. I want to get one of these. Where are they? There. Nice. Snowflake. Okay, I've got 2,028 now. Wow, okay. So let me go to Polar Bear to finally hand in this one. And then I will end the video off here as soon as I've completed this one. That's all the ingredients I need. Okay, let me whip something up. Chop chop, sizzle, a dash of honey, stir, all done, enjoy. Well, I'm always ready to eat. Yep, okay. And what's the next one? High protein bug bar, which is 4 mantises, which, can I get mantises right now? Nope. And I can't get that either. Scorpions I don't think I can get because I was really just here a second ago and they weren't spawned in. Nope. But, wow, 92.5. Okay. Spider, can I get a spider at least? We'd check spider. Oh, I can get a spider. Okay. That's good for me then. And there we go. Get all those rewards. Oh, and another one of those. Nice. Okay, and sunflower field pollen. I passed that apparently. Because it's just over here. Oh, I want that. Yes, nice. Okay. And come on, just get sunflower pollen. There we go. Okay, so I am going to be ending this video off here, guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please be sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the like button as hard as you can. Comment down below whatever the heck you want, and I will see you guys in another video. So good